or the contaminated elements, they reach to the water and make the water polluted. Now these wastes contain many dangerous chemicals which are like danger to the life of animals and many plants. Now in agriculture, many are using pesticides and insecticides. Now these are also reach to the water with the flow of water, and they are making water contaminated. There are also the cases of fly ashes, as they are discharged by the water that power plants, and that have been found that the accumulating means gathering together over a period of time. So accumulation of fly ashes are there, and that is as far as the Arctic Ocean. The pollutants in ocean water also destroy planktons. Planktons means a very small forms of plants and animals life, and they are at the bottom of food chain for the fish and the other marine animals. It also, this water pollution, it also endanger the marine lives. Water pollution is also responsible for many types of diseases. Diseases like dysentery, polio, typhoid, cholera and diarrhea. So therefore it is the very high time, this is the need of the time that we all should take adequate steps so that we can prevent the water from that being polluted, or we have to prevent the all different kinds of pollution like pollution of land, pollution of air and pollution of water. Next is water conservation. So water conservation means protection, prevention and efficient utilization of water. And we all should understand that water is a very precious resource. Okay. Why? Because water is a limited resource and it is needed for all living things. Without this, not a single plant or animal can survive. So, and another reason is that as the world population grows, each person is getting less and less water. It requires planning as well as organization to make the best use of limited freshwater resources on earth. We are having some measures here that we can adopt to save water. First is to take care to close the taps after using them. Means suppose you are washing your hand or you are doing brushing or shaving, anything you are doing. So as your work will be finished, you have to check that taps are properly closed. If any repair, any leaking is there in pipe, that should be promptly or very soon it should be repaired. Next, if any broken water pipes are there, that should be repaired on time. Then canals and river banks, if they are the breached one or broken one, that should be properly repaired at time. Next is we should practice rooftop harvesting of rainwater. What is this harvesting? Harvesting means the collection and the storage of rainwater rather than allowing it to run off. So many different measures should be adopted with the help of some standard techniques so that we can store that rain water. And we all should know which kind of the rain water harvesting has been done there in our area. Third is we must not throw waste in water. Why? As you will throw waste in the water, it will contaminate the water and then it will not be, nobody will be able to use that water for their use and need. Next is we must avoid wasteful uses of water. As we are using that water, we should not waste it. Like one person, if they want to wash the car and they are using pipe. So use of pipe at the time of car washing, it will result in high wastage of water. So for that work they can use bucket and a mug. So for washing a car, only a bucket of water will be needed. So likewise we have to think how we can avoid the wasteful use of water. In that some people, they have made their life according to the water conservation, so that they are always thinking how they can conserve the water. So some communities, they are in India and abroad also, they all are practicing water conservation at their own. Okay, next we will see the distribution of water bodies. One, that picture is there in our book, that is showing the distribution of water bodies here. So how that area will be determined, or we can say that which ocean is bigger, or which is the deeper, which is having the greater volume. So for that, here is one principle, that the bigger and the deeper the ocean, the greater the volume of water it has in it. Now with the help of this figure, we can understand that the size of various oceans. First we are having Pacific Ocean here. It has a maximum area as well as maximum depth. Here, Pacific Ocean. Now what is the depth of this Pacific Ocean? 11,034 meter, and it covers about 33% of the Earth's total surface area. It extends from Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle is here above. So here you can see it is extending from Arctic Circle and it is reaching till Antarctic Circle. And from the North America to South America in the east, to Asia and Australia in west. So you can see it is starting from America, Northern America and Southern America, and it is reaching to Asia and Australia here. So this is the extent of Pacific Ocean, means easily you can see. Likewise, total area. Next is the Atlantic Ocean. Here is Atlantic Ocean. It is comparatively a little larger than the Indian Ocean. It stretched from Arctic Circle in the north. From north it is starting and it is reaching till Arctic Circle in the south. And it separates the Europe and Africa from North America and South America. Europe is here, and down we are having Africa. Left side we are having North America and South America. So what this Atlantic Ocean is doing, it is separating North America and South America and Europe and Africa. After that we are having Indian Ocean. Now Indian Ocean lies to the south of the Indian subcontinent. The subcontinent is at the head of this ocean in the center. Next is Arctic Ocean. Now this lies to the north of Arctic Circle between the North America and Eurasia. The Bering Strait connects it to the Pacific Ocean. Next is Southern America. Here down. This is Southern America. Southern Ocean. Now it receives the water of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean, and it is presently a part of Antarctica, is recognized as the fifth ocean. So this is the fifth ocean and it is receiving that water from Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. So this much for today's class. Thank you.